Oh, alright, we're at Grizzly Mountain. Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Here's the auction, and I see my gold Massey. There's actually not many people here. I am very early. It's 7. Where is it? No, it's actually 12. No one's here. It's good. Now I can actually open the tractors. Alright. I have no music, have no editing. I'll have my computer 4 hours away. I'm just gonna use someone's internet, because like none of them have internet passwords, so I'm just gonna upload it on their internet, because I'm evil. So, I brought this truck. It legitimately took me 4 minutes to start this truck. And I brought the trailer, because why not? The 6 axle trailer. Because I don't know if we're buying something or not. Alright, I'm just gonna go through all of these one by one. The ST Stara? The Stara Max 105. With a little New Holland baler on it. New Holland BC. Alright. Then moving on, we got this Fendt 310 Varvo of this, made by Lizard. Never heard of Lizard. It looks like a silage thing. Something for silage. And we got this Fourchette. I think that's how I pronounce it. Got this little header on it for grass. It's a cool little thing. And we got this thing. I have no clue what this is. Looks like another one of those, except with a different header on it. And this looks a little bit newer than this, because this is like 5 of me and 6 childs can probably fit in here. Probably not 5 of me, probably 90. We got this Valtra. Never heard of that. And a nice little trailer here. Quite pretty. We got this nice little tractor. The Fendt 716. Ultra dry. Shouldn't be getting too close to this. This is nice. It's really nice. Alright, and this is like the work that I did. Bro, it cut that grass like all the way down to the ground. This is what it was like. All this grass. That's some good paper cutting grass. Alright, moving on to the next row. We have this really beautiful colored Case 300 CTX Autumn. I want to go in this. Seems cool. I put 2 things in the auction. Well, one for show and one to sell. We got this nice little tractor here. This will be good, really nice on the farm. It's the same thing we have too. This will be something for my new farm. This would be amazing for the new farm that we're gonna get, because it's a bit smaller. And this will do just like the perfect job. This nice little tractor. No, I got the wrong tractor. Oh, this is so comfortable. That's a nice tractor. We got this little Massey Ferguson. Got this Stara. I'm gonna head through this a little bit faster. Oh, this would also be amazing on our new farm. A New Holland T6 2-wheel drive. This New Holland TM 120. It's a nice little tractor. You guys already seen all of them, but I'll say the names. Fast Track. This is ours. the golden Massey Ferguson S Celebration Tractor. Yeah, the Slow 9RT. And it's like a 3D printed grill that's like plastic. It's not very smart on the front of a tractor that you'll probably be driving in the field for a couple hours. We got this beautiful tractor, this Challenger. We have this humongous Challenger. This is ginormous. Yeah, it's really nice. And I never seen a Fendt combine before, and we might be getting a Fendt combine in this. I just want to sell my farm early to get some stuff. I would get this. Get that. I'll get that. I'll get that. There was something. No, nothing back there. I just noticed this, and this is what we put on the auction. I like this. This is definitely modified of this big cultivator discs. Yeah. It's nice. I like that. This is a nice old tractor. Nice gray. Probably painted over it, all the rust. And this is what we put in. Yeah. Well, that's the auction. It was a short video, but I think we might get this. Or then try to auction it off. Or was this... Oh, you could just buy it straight away, whoever gets it first. Whoever gets to it first. Or should we get this? Oh, this is such a hard decision. No, we don't need a new combine. We don't need a new combine. Come on. Oh, there's like a lot of these things. I'm gonna try to get this. Because this would be amazing for our new farm. Like, it's a beautiful tractor. Would do amazing for our new farm. And I'm looking at the new farm papers, and I'm also gonna show you guys the brand new farm when I'm over there. And my camera's at 26%, so we better hurry. So I'm gonna head to the people and say, hey, I'd like to buy that thing. Let's see here. It's very expensive, but we could buy it. I just took out a little bit of a loan because I only had $1,000. This is was $6,000, including with this was $5,000. So $11,000. $11,000 for this. Will it be worth it? I think so. We have a little bit of money to pay back, so. Yeah, I just bought this. They're going to deliver it to my location. I give them my location. They're going to deliver that. Should I get anything else? Because I have like $100,000 more for my bank loan that was taken out from me. I don't really think we need anything else. Nah. We'll leave everything. Alright, I'm gonna head over to our brand new farm. I'll see you guys in like maybe next episode because my camera's about to die. So I'm gonna have to I should just wait here when they're picking that up so they actually go to the right location. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.